Okay, where are we at, Alice? Dunes of Panama building?
Dunes of Panama D406.
D406. Okay, we just walked in the front door. Here's the kitchen. And immediately to the left, you have a owner's closet. And our customer's hiding behind the camera. And closet here. There's actually a balcony off of this room, a smaller balcony. We'll go out here for a second. Overlooking one of the pools. And then we got a bathroom that connects through here. Little half bath. Oh, actually full. We got a shower right here. Okay. So this hallway here connects to the kitchen and dining area, and then there's a door here that's set back off the living space that goes to the primary suite. So you have another bathroom here. With a shower and bathtub. So we have carpet in both bedrooms, tile floors elsewhere. So this is Sean Casilli with Bay Real Experts Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. Check the description for the listing brokerage. We did get permission to do this video for our customers for her. And I apologize, but I forgot who it was. Alice told me just a second ago, but check the description below for the brokerage information that has this listing right now. So in the winter time, around December, the sun will set right about here. I just checked it on my calendar, and then it'll also in the summer set about here. So sunsets will be right in between here all year long. Winter, summer. There's a slider that leads to the living room, which we will go check out. And before we wrap up this video. So here we are in the main living space with doors out to the balcony. Okay. Catch you on the next one.